This Traeger smoked corn on the cob recipe could be made with husks or without husks. I'm going to walk you through really simply how to make this delicious smoked corn on the cob right on your pellet grill. So the first thing you want to do, decide whether or not you're going to have the husks. Either way, you're going to want to open them up so you can apply some butter as they cook. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is you want to make this really super simple butter sauce, and you're just going to throw a bunch of ingredients into it and then whisk them all together. So you need some melted butter, some cilantro, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and that all gets whisked in, and then you generously apply it to the raw corn on the cob ears, and then it's time to stick those on the grill. So plop it right on the smoker and shut the smoker, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to smoke these. It takes about 45 minutes total, but you're going to want to keep opening it up about every 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and applying some extra butter as you go. You can get all the details for it at Sip Bite Go. And so when it's done, you just take them off of the pellet grill, and you can top your smoked corn on the cob with some Cotija cheese or a little extra salt and pepper, whatever you like. But they should be really nice and smoky flavored and totally buttery and juicy inside from that delicious butter sauce. And you can see this other recipe here for the smoked chicken at Sip Bite Go. Let me give you a little preview about what that smoked chicken looks like. If you love smoked foods, you have to see my best Traeger smoked whole chicken recipe without brine. It's so flavorful, and I'm going to teach you 2 ways to cook it: low and slow, or a little bit faster if you need to make it for a weeknight meal. It's super easy. It only uses 3 ingredients, and like I said, you don't need a brine at all. So you can just fire up the Traeger grill, season it, throw it on, and everyone always absolutely loves it. You can find the recipe for this at Sip Bite Go, and make sure to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube so you get more of my favorite tasty recipes that are easy to make and always delicious. All right, foodies, well, if you learned something new, please give this video a like, and until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!